Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this Python interview questions videos sequence, the next 11th question what we have, same related to the error, when we will get, when we will get syntax error, when we will get syntax error in Python, when we are going to get syntax error in Python, we have to see. Very simple, sir. If we are not following, if we are not following, if we are not following a proper syntax, if we are not following a proper syntax rules, so then we will get which error? Syntax error. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, these things again I am going to demonstrate in the exception related videos. Please you can watch that one also. So when we are going to get a syntax error, if we are not following a proper syntax, best simple one example I'm going to take. I have taken print of something like hi. What output we will get, sir? Can I say it is going to print hi on the screen? Sir, by mistake, if we are trying to forget to close that closed curly brackets, in such cases what will happen? Definitely, is it a mistake of the syntax or not? Yes. If you see, we are getting syntax error saying unexpected end of a file while parsing. So end of a file unexpectedly came, there is no proper closing. Like that we are getting which error, sir? Syntax error. If you are getting syntax error, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, if we are not following the proper rules and regulations of not only Python, any programming language, we will get this syntax error. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you, friends.